I have a small cat at home. I have a small cat at home.
I am a kind person. I am a kind person.
I am tall and thin. I am tall and thin.
I am interested in history. I am interested in history.
I am afraid of spiders. I am afraid of spiders.
I am tired after work. I am tired after work.
I am 60 years old. I am 60 years old.
I am ready for the future. I am ready for the future. I am thankful for my life. I am thankful for my life.
I am always on time. I am always on time.
I live in a small city. I live in a small city.
I am a quiet person. I am a quiet person. I have short black hair. Oh?
I have short black hair.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
I am polite to everyone. I am polite to everyone. I have brown eyes. I have brown eyes. I study English every day. I study English every day.
I am proud of my family.
I am proud of my family. I am hungry right now. I am hungry right now.
I am married.
I am married. I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages. I am from Turkey. I am from Turkey.
I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I am a morning person. I am a morning person.
I have many friends. I have many friends.
I have many friends.
I am happy today. I am happy today.
I am learning something new. I am learning something new.
I am a student. I am a student.
I am good at math.
Ah.
I am good at math.
I am a kind person. I am a kind person.
I am not very good at singing.
I am not very good at
Singing.